to add the data analysis tab in the MS Excel. So here we can see that when we go in data tab, there is a analysis tab, but in your laptop there will be not present. Okay, so how to add? So in Microsoft Excel, the data analysis tab is not enabled by default. You have to turn it on. So the following steps are required. First, we have to go in file option, then go into more, then options button, then here you will see add in add-ins. So you should click here, then see here there is a MS Excel add-in, this button you should go, click here, go. Okay, then you have to tick mark this analysis tool pack, then you have to click OK. So see, in data tab, it will come data analysis tool pack. This tab will appear in your MS Excel. Thank you.